Phenex.
Hey everyone, Ice King here. Say Happy New Year just by myself because I know you guys listen to the podcast. You guys are awesome like that. I wanted to start the new year with a build log for a big project. As you saw with the intro, it's a Gundam. Don't worry, more machines coming. But it's the perfect grade Phoenix. And for all my Gundam people out there, you know how this kit is. Squeaky, squeaky. This kit is gigantic. Like, this is as far back as I can go. Like, hand size comparison, the box. This is a massive kit. Like, here's the full, like, it's as wide as my map, which is normally like pretty big. I'm very excited for this. I have big plans for it. The reason I did the intro like that was because right here is what we're recreating. So it comes with a stand. I'm like, no, that's too boring. I want to do a diorama because I'm extra like that. So that's like long-term project for that's like one of my New Year's projects. So yeah, like the long project is gonna. That's why I'm doing the build log. This is the instruction manual. Like it is a whole textbook almost. Like it's gigantic. And you go into all the I got decals for it and everything. So it's gonna be. We're gonna build it. We're gonna test fit everything. We're gonna take it apart, paint it, and do a bunch of other stuff. Got the LED unit as well, so it's gonna light up. I had already started working on the base. This, so I took it apart and did this part. It's not pretty bad. I jumped into this project a little too much, not giving it too much thought, and now I'm like, time to take this all apart and start fresh. So I'm gonna keep. I'm not gonna use this base. I'm gonna build my own custom base. You guys will see that. But yeah, that's my first big starting project of the new year. You guys have a wonderful week and see you next time. Bye.